Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage online reviews with Trustpilot step by step clearly. Start by creating a Trustpilot account on their website. Go to the Trustpilot homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your business email address and create a secure password. Fill in your business details including the name and website URL. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is set up, log in to the Trustpilot dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the Collect Reviews section. Choose how you want to collect reviews, via email invitations, the Trustpilot integration, or through API. If you choose email invitations, upload a list of customer emails or integrate with your CRM system. Customize your email invitations to ensure they reflect your brand voice. Set up a schedule for sending out review invitations. Monitor the feedback you receive in real time from your dashboard. Respond to reviews promptly to show customers you value their feedback. Use the Respond button located beneath each review to compose your reply. Address any negative reviews professionally and constructively. Highlight positive reviews to build credibility and trust. Analyze insights from your review trends in the Insights tab. Use the data received to improve your business operations and customer service. Encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences on Trustpilot. Continuously engage with reviews to foster a review-rich environment. Review and adjust your strategy based on performance metrics on your dashboard. Stay updated with Trustpilot's resources to enhance your reputation management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.